Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to take out the headlight on your Honda Civic if it's a 95 or 96 up to 2001. So that's an EK Civic, I believe, an EJ or an EM, if I've got that right. Basically there's 4 bolts. There's one in the back of there, 2 on the top, and there's one in the back of there, and it's really easy as well. All we need is a 10mm socket and a screwdriver, crosshead screwdriver that is. As you can see, this headlight's seen better days. I actually started rubbing it back, but I realised there's a bit of crazing actually in the back of the plastic, which I can't get off. Also the chrome bit had started to go black, so for 30 quid I bought this nice spangly looking new one. So first things first, take out all these lugs, take out these 5, and then you can pop this grill out. I lied, it's not just these 5, you actually need the ones on the end as well, because the grill is actually screwed into the bumper. Then there's another screw up under this wheel arch just here, which if you put the steering to one side you can get to it. You should just about see it. It's in there somewhere. There she is. And then so turn the wheel all the way the other way so you can get to the one the other side. Right, so now I've got this side out. That should just pull forward. Oh dear, it's all very it's all very loose. Not much holds this on, worryingly. And then that's kind of clipped in around the headlight. There we go. Obviously it's easier to do this with 2 hands. There we go. Oh, hello, she's fallen on the floor. So there you go. So that's literally, so I've literally just gone to there, so it's kind of half hanging off. The only reason I drop it as far as this, because you only need to get to this stage, because actually all you need to do is get to that nut that's on the inside there. And where is it? This one here, because the other 2 are on the top. There you go, I've pulled it forward a little bit more. And this is where it's actually really handy to have a EP Racing lower lip spoiler. Shout out to EP Racing. I don't think this is why they made these bottom splitters, but that's actually really handy. So yeah, once you've taken out those 7 clips along the top and the 2 in the wheel arches, yeah, the whole bumper literally comes straight off. Mine's got fog lights and stuff, so they're being held on and all screwed in. So if you wanted to take the bumper completely off, just got to unplug that as well, but I'm just going to leave it as is. Looks like potentially, if you jacked it up, there's some clips that are holding the under tray onto the bottom of the bumper, but that's literally as far as I'm going to go with it, so I'm not too worried. There we go, get your 10mm socket on there, slacken that one off. Try not to rattle it off the inside of your wing while you're filming one-handed. And then this one on the side here. Oh, there we go. Proper job. So I've got the 4 bolts out, and it's also decided to start raining because we're in the UK, and it also doesn't seem to want to come out. And there's actually like a little clip here, a little bracket. There's only 2 10mm that hold that in, so I'm probably going to take that off because that will help it come out. It seems to be catching on there. Okay, all I've actually done is just slackened off these 2 nuts, and that gives you a load of play in the bracket. And then actually when you come to lift it out, which is obviously a lot easier with 1 hand, 2 hands even, yeah, that literally just pops out from under there. And then what you've got to do, pull your wires off the back, and then you're home and dry. There you go. So on the back of it we've got the headlight one, side light, this is an indicator one, and this is because it's got electric levelling headlights. I know, 25 years old, electric levelling headlights, all the mod cons. There's an extra plug for that, and then literally she's off. So chuck that in the bin and then fit a nice spangly new one. Look at that, I might actually be able to see where I'm going when I'm driving at night. There you go, hopefully that's helped somebody. If it has, give me a subscribe and a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.